Hello, and welcome to the dieselmodules.com product information video, where I will go over the product highlights and unique value proposition it offers. When we started our business over 20 years ago, it was all about improving underpowered diesel pickups. Now, it's about getting to the power you paid for when and where you need it. Today's sophisticated diesel engines demand a safer, more sophisticated approach to performance improvements. While the extensive emissions equipment and manufacturers detuning contribute to poor fuel economy, sluggish throttle response, and annoying turbo lag, their hypersensitive control systems and adaptive powertrains make it far more challenging for aftermarket performance companies to accommodate consumer demand. The dieselmodules.com performance modules not only pioneered the post-ECM performance solution nearly 25 years ago, but has mastered the warranty-friendly performance alternative to ECM reprogramming and tuning. Our performance modules easily plug in under the hood with an inline stationary connection between the map and rail pressure sensors. The average install time is 20 minutes on pickups and 60 minutes on diesel pushers, requiring no cutting or splicing needed. Designed to work on a stock diesel, there is no need for additional costly or questionable modifications to the engine. Rather than changing manufacturer stock ECM programming and adding fuel volume, our performance module intercepts the codes delivering our proprietary combustion efficiency programming to improve fuel atomization or combustion. This approach not only honors all stock settings, but eliminates the unwanted side effects of overfueling, like black smoke, increased exhaust gas temperatures, and engine damage. The result is improved driving zone performance with up to 90 additional horsepower, as well as improved throttle response and reduced turbo lag. Because our performance modules allow the customer to get more from the fuel they pay for, they experience mileage improvements of up to 4 miles per gallon on pickup diesels, and as much as a 15% mileage improvement on RV diesels, all while honoring manufacturers' stock settings and leaving no footprint on their ECM. The power of non-invasive warranty-friendly performance coupled with notable mileage improvements of up to 100 more driving miles on a 34-gallon tank, a 30-day money-back guarantee, and 1-year warranty makes the Pro Performance Module the safest and most cost-effective choice for stock diesel owners today. Thank you for watching.